I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering both devices because a stable source prevents miscommunication. Insert fresh AA or a charged Li-ion, then attach the Air remote to the camera hot shoe and flip it on. Once done, power your Profoto head or OCF and set matching channel and group values. This is how the radio identifies the host and responder. You do this first to minimize blinking lights and resynchronization, so pairing goes fast and reliably. Now configure how the flash behaves. Select TTL for automatic exposure, manual for consistent output, or HSS when you need shutter speeds faster than the sync limit. Once chosen, set power with the remote. Fine-tune in 1/3 stops if you need precision. Make sure the camera shutter speed and aperture pair with the flash mode. If you go above the sync speed, enable HSS on both remote and head. This ensures correct exposure and prevents banding. Finish by test firing and inspecting images for proper exposure and recycling. If flashes misfire, first confirm group and channel match, then check battery percentage and physical obstructions. Walls and metal can block signal. Once checked, restart the remote and head and repair if needed. Make sure firmware is up to date via Profoto tools. This often fixes odd behavior. One key troubleshooting tip: swap batteries and try a short-range test to isolate radio or power issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.